Given two sets A and B, we need to find out the following. Let us begin with the first one. So here in the first problem, we need to find out the Cartesian product of the set A and the set B. The set A contains three elements, 1, 2, and 3. And we have the set B containing two elements, 2 and 4. Now, when we take the Cartesian product of these two sets, we'll have to start with the first element of set A, which is 1, and then we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of the second set, which is B in our case. So our first ordered pair is going to be 1, 2, and the next ordered pair is going to be 1, 4. Similarly, we're going to pick up the second element from the first set A and form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of the set B. That gives us 2, 2, and we have 2, 4. Next, we pick up the third element of the first set A and form an ordered pair with the first element of the second set, and also another ordered pair with the second element of the second set. So this is going to give us the Cartesian product of the set A with set B. Now let's try to find out the Cartesian product of the set B with the set A. Now we'll take the elements of the set B, which are 2 and 4, and we're going to form a Cartesian product with the elements of set A. So set A has got three elements, 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to be, so we'll take the first element of set B, so that's 2, and form an ordered pair with each of the three elements of the second set A. So we have 2, 1. Next we have 2, 2. Then we have 2, 3. Next, we're going to pick up the second element of the set B and form a Cartesian product with the three elements of set A. So we have 4, 1, 4, 2, and we have 4, 3. Fine. So we have now obtained the Cartesian product of set B with A. Now let's come to the third part of the problem. So this time, we need to find out the Cartesian product of the set A with the set itself. So that means we have three elements of the set A, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to form the Cartesian product with the same set A containing the three elements 1, 2, and 3. Now, since the set A has got three elements, so that means after we take the Cartesian product, we should get 3 times 3, which will be 9 ordered pair. So let's begin. So we'll start with the first element of the first set A, form an ordered pair with each of the three elements of the second set A. So that is going to give us 1, 1, 1, 2, and we have 1, 3. Then we are going to take the second element of the set A, of the first set A, and form an ordered pair with each of the three elements of the second set A. So we have 2, 1, then we have 2, 2, and then we have 2, 3. And then we have 3, 1, we have 3, 2, and 3, 3. So we have obtained the Cartesian product of set A with itself. Let's now try to find out the Cartesian product of the set B with itself. So Cartesian product of set B itself. So we have the set B containing two elements, 2, 4. So when we find out its Cartesian product with itself, we're going to get 2, 2. We get 2, 4. Next we have 4, 2 and 4, 4. So this is the Cartesian product of the set B with itself. Now coming to the fifth part of the problem, we need to find out the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with the Cartesian product of B and A. So that means we need to find out an element that is common to both the Cartesian product of A and B and Cartesian product of B and A. So here we observe that we consider this ordered pair 2, 2. So that is present in both of the two sets. So that means our set is going to contain one ordered pair 2, 2. There are no other ordered pairs that are common to both of them, so it's going to contain a single element or so single ordered pair.